Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use your wool, yes, your crochet wool, to make a beautiful flower vase. Without wasting time, let's get started. Here are the things we are going to need for making this flower vase. I'm going to use this cup. This is a butter cup, okay? Butter cup. Okay, you can use anything. You can use bottle, you can use anything at all. So I don't have a bigger container, so this is what I'm going to use for this particular one. Okay, then I'm going to use wool. So this is a thick wool, so that's what I'm going to use now to cover it up, because I'm going to use it as a flower vase for the flower I made for Valentine. So I don't know which of the video I'm going to post first, whether the picture of the flower, the tulip flower, or the picture of the vase. So whichever the case, just know that this was what I used for the flower vase for that particular flower. Okay, so now let's get into business. I'm going to start by joining the tips of this wool together, okay? So I'm joining 3. This one is a different kind of wool, so I added it to it. So first of all, I will just add some glue at this very point, okay? So then I'll place it here to seal it up there. Then pass it here, add some glue as well. Then it comes. So when it gets here, I will also add some glue. Okay, so like this, I will start going around like this. You can see I'm gradually placing it over the other one. So I'll continue. See, I'm progressing, so I'm just going to continue. So here is it. So I'm gonna check around to see if there are any spaces where I need to add some. So I'll just, like here now, it's a little bit open, so I'll just divert it and add it right there. Okay. So once I'm done with it like this, I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. So I have something like this. Now I need this place, this is the under, I need it to be flat. So I'll try and cut off the one on top like this. Okay. It's still not sitting well. The essence of cutting it so that I can just stick it right here so it can lay flat. Okay, so that's how I want it. So I'll go ahead and cut off the rough edges. Remember, this is the downside. So I'll go ahead and cut off the top as well. This is the top where the flower is going to stay. So after cutting it like this, I'm going to add glue inside and just press it down like so. Okay, I hope you're seeing. I'm going to raise it up, add glue here, then press it down like so. Okay, so let me add my glue. So here is it. This is the down and this is the up. Okay, so one last step, I'm going to add this to the down part to cover up these rough edges. Okay, so I'll just add some glue to this ribbon and use it to go around the bottom. Okay, so the down is okay. This is an emergency flower vase. This is an emergency flower vase. Okay, so I think I should also cover the top, or it's not compulsory. I'm going to leave the top like that. I'll leave the top like that. So I'm going to add some stand inside. Then you see this stone, these fine stones, my husband brought them, so I'm going to put them inside. Okay, so first of all, let me get some sand, sorry. Here's it. You see I put some sand inside. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'll take my flower, my tulip flower, put it inside, just push it down. Okay, so it's already down. Now these are my fine stones. These are sea stones. Okay, sea stones from the sea. I'm just going to use them to guide it like this. Yeah, our flower is ready. Can you see that? Wow, I think here is looking too plain. I want to try to maybe open them a little bit so that at least they will be spacious and it will not just look like they are going up too much. Okay, you see what I'm doing? I'm just trying to bend them a little bit so that some will come down to not look too straight up, you know. I hope you are getting me. This is it. So maybe I'll tie a ribbon here. Or let me look for a red ribbon and tie it here so that it can fill up here a little bit. But I want these stones to show. That's the swag. Do you like what you are seeing? Please begin to give it a thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Stay tuned for more videos. I remain Ahviworld. Bye.